Hey everybody, today I have a really great video. It's an important video for all you EV6 owners out there because it turns out our sound systems don't actually suck, they're just wired wrong. So I came across a thread on Reddit from a user named Next703, and he talked about how he thought that the subwoofer in the EV6 might be out of phase and that he had an issue with the previous Hyundai, and he went ahead and changed some wiring and that it helped his subwoofer performance and gave him some more bass. So I thought, wow, that's really interesting. So I'm going to walk you guys through that process. I'm going to talk to you about what being out of phase means, and I'll show you how easy it is because it literally takes less than 5 minutes, and it really actually provides a noticeable increase in the bass in my EV6. So first of all, what is being out of phase? So according to Google's AI here, it says a car's subwoofer being out of phase means its sound waves are opposing the sound waves of the other speakers in the system, causing a significant loss of bass and a thin, weak sound. This often results from incorrect wiring, where a subwoofer's positive terminals connect to the amplifier's negative or vice versa. And yeah, that's basically what we're going to fix. All right, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and pull out the subwoofer in here. So it's actually located in the trunk here. This piece, the whole thing actually just pops right out. And here's the subwoofer. And under here is the wiring. It's not the easiest to get to with this cover on. So what we're gonna do is take these pieces out of each side. They just unscrew. If yours are tight, they do have a slot so you can use a screwdriver, but mine I've had out a couple times, so they're not super tight. And just unscrew them. And there we go. Now this piece just snaps right off. And now we can easily access the piece that we need. And it's right there underneath of this orange thing. And what I use, if any of you have a very small screwdriver, like flat blade screwdriver, I have like an eyeglass repair kit that I can use here. And I pop up the side of this thing here, take off my sunglasses so I can see. And this lets this piece come up. And then we can access the wires underneath. And basically what we're going to do, see how mine right now is fixed. So mine is black, red, black, red. Yours, if you have not done this to fix it, basically will probably show red, black, red, black. So what you're going to do is you take the little screwdriver and you can push right here and it will slide. There you go. It will slide the piece out. And you do that for all of them. And the whole thing will come out and you just rearrange. So you'll, instead of having yours are red, black, you just swap the top two, swap the bottom two, and then you put them back in. And once you put them in, you line them up, push them together. You take that orange piece that I had before. It's basically clips that hold this in. So you take that, snap that back into place, and that's it. It's that simple. From there, you just go ahead and put everything back together and then test out the bass. But I'll go ahead and pull up a video inside the car and show you how the bass is. And honestly, it is solidly improved all around. And it doesn't just sound like there's more bass coming from behind you. It sounds like all the speakers in the car have more bass because it's no longer out of phase. All right, I did a search for some royalty-free music and I found this one that has a lot of bass in it, and I'm using my phone's microphone, so hopefully this can pick up the bass a lot for you guys. There we go. I don't know how well that's coming through, but you You can definitely feel it in the car. It's so much better. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. This is something that I have definitely complained about, and I know a lot of other people have too, since the EV6 first came out, since I first got my last EV6 a couple of years ago. And this is a really solid solution, and honestly, it's pretty incredible that the car is basically just wired wrong for the subwoofer, and that it's such an easy fix. So kudos to that guy on Reddit for figuring this out. I hope this helps you guys out. Don't worry, this isn't something that should have any impact to your warranty. All you're doing is just changing the direction of electricity going through the speaker there for the subwoofer. So there shouldn't really be any risk of messing anything up as long as you put the wiring all the way back in. And you're going to experience an improvement in your bass in your car. So like I said, I'm really excited about it. Go try it, see if it helps you guys. And as always, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more content. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.